Here's your downsizing pro tip of the day. I'm working on laundry today. It's amazing when I go into somebody's house and I open up their linen closet. There are times I'm afraid to even touch anything because I think if I pull one thing out, everything's going to collapse. So I want you to think about how much stuff you actually need. For instance, like my bath towels. I have two. I have one that I just put in fresh in the bathroom and one that just came out of the laundry. I don't need any more than that. I live by myself. Hand towels. I have probably 4 because I switch these out like every other day, but that's all I have. I don't have any more than that. Sheets for my bed. I've got 2 sets. One I put on fresh this morning and one just came out of the laundry. When I cleaned out my parents' house, my mother had 12 sets of sheets. Nobody needs 12 sets of sheets. We have become such a consumer-driven culture that we just buy all the time, whether we need it or not. We see it on sale and we think, whoo, we'll get that now. These sheets, the 2 sets that I have, I've had for probably at least 6 years. You just don't go through them that quickly. Now, I buy decent sheets. If you buy lesser quality, maybe you go through them more quickly. I will say that I did find when one of my favorite stores was going out of business, I did get another set of sheets that were on sale, and I've got this tucked away in my bedroom closet so that when one of these pairs tears and I'm done with it, I can automatically have another set. I don't have to go shopping for it because I don't really like to shop. The other thing is so often the fitted sheet is the one that gets torn or wears out first. So when that happens, take the pillowcases and the flat sheet and donate them, especially your SPCA, your Humane League will always take things like this. They rip them up and use them for rags, but don't stick them in your linen closet if you don't have the fitted sheet. And now I'm going to show you how you fold a fitted sheet. This is really not that hard, and everybody acts like this is just such a tough thing. So I've got this so that the seams are to the inside, and it's really pretty simple. Put your hand in a corner, take the next opposing corner, and put them together like that. Then go to the other side, and you do the same thing. You put your hand in the corner, put your hand in the other corner. Okay, so you've got your corners. Now, bring your corners together, flip it over, and then just kind of shake it out. Now you just lay it flat on your bed. Actually, it usually goes better than this. All right, but you lay it flat. Just smooth it out. So you've got your side parts are flat now on the rest. And then just fold, fold, fold. Straighten it out a little bit. It really looks prettier when I do it by myself. And fold it over. And there you've got a folded sheet. Put them away, they're ready to go. That's your downsizing pro tip of the day. And if you're enjoying my videos, I hope that you will follow me and hit that like button.